Function mini assessments. We're going to identify functions using sets of ordered pairs by ordered pairs, tables, mapping, and graphs. That's our 8.5G. First question. Which graph does not represent a function? Function means x can only be used one time. And then since we're talking a graph, we're talking about our vertical line test. Oh, I can draw a vertical line. The graph can only touch the yellow vertical line one time. Do it anywhere. Okay, so x can only be used one time. So when I do this, my vertical line, it should only touch it one time. Right here. One time. One time. So by looking at our graphs, we want which does not. So that means not. A function only have x used one time, but we want not, so therefore it could be more than one time. So we want it to be yellow line touching the graph more than one time. One time. That's only one time, so that's going to be the answer. One time, that is a function, but we want not a function. One time, we have our function. And one time, we have our function. So our correct answer is the first one, or A. Which set of order paired represents a function? Again, function x only one time. So we're really just focusing on our x values. We have 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, do we have all numbers being used only one time? No. 2 and 2, that's 2 times. Circle my x values. Is x only being used one time? 3, 4, 5, 2. So far, good. Let's look at all the answers. 2, 3, 4. I'm just circling my x values. 1, that's not it. It's used twice. Alright, 4 is used all the way, so this is not a function. Correct answer would be B. Which statement describes the mapping? Again, mapping x only one line or one time. So we're going to say this is a function only one line, only one line, only one line, and only one line. So yes, it is a function. We read our answer choices. Which statement best describes the mapping? The mapping represents y as a function of x because each y value corresponds with exactly one x value. Okay, so we have our keyword. The mapping does not represent a function. Well, we know that's not true because it has the word not. The mapping represents y as a function of x because each x value corresponds with exactly one y value. And then J says the mapping does not. Again, this is not our choice because it says not. So we're looking, is it between F and H? We have y corresponds with one x, or x corresponds with one y. So the correct answer would be H because we have our x corresponding to our y value. Well, think about how you did. Again, this is a topic that is not touched up a lot. You're probably looking at about one question on the STAR test. Okay, guys.